Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, genetics of Alzheimer's disease. So, in the genetics of Alzheimer's disease, first there is APP gene is present on chromosome 21. What is this APP gene? APP gene is actually amyloid precursor protein. Okay, what happens in this APP gene? In APP gene, there can be either a single missense mutation may be seen, or there can be single missense mutation, or there can be double missense mutation may be seen in the Alzheimer's disease. So, because of the single or double missense mutation, this will result in Alzheimer's disease. This will result in early onset Alzheimer's disease can occur, and this early onset Alzheimer's disease will have increased production of beta A beta microglobulin is seen. A beta microglobulin production is increased, or A beta amyloid production is increased. Okay, this is APP gene. The second genetic factor is presenilin 1. Presenilin 1 is present on chromosome 14. So, actually, in the presenilin 1, there can occur either a missense mutation can occur, or there can be splice site mutations. There can be missense mutations or splice site mutations of presenilin 1 gene, which is present on chromosome 14, is actually associated with the same early onset Alzheimer's disease with increased production of beta amyloid. Okay, then similarly we also have one more gene which is called as presenilin 2 gene, which is present on chromosome 1. Here there is missense mutation of presenilin 2 gene on chromosome 1 is actually associated with early onset Alzheimer's disease and increased production of A beta production. Then we have one more, which is apolipoprotein E. This apolipoprotein E is present on chromosome 19, and in the apoprotein E there is actually allele E4. This allele E4 or epsilon 4, actually allele epsilon 4 of apolipoprotein E1 on chromosome 19 is mutated, and this will have increased the risk of development of Alzheimer's disease early. It causes increased risk of development of Alzheimer's disease at an earlier age.
thank you and thank you for watching.